and I can't keep my cool, come get it. Let's turn lights out, play fight now. Oh, oh. You went and took it to the floor, to the chairs upstairs, to the bed, baby, give me some more. Cause you know my mind, stay by my
So the first thing that you need to do in order to start your school year strong is to stay organized and stay on schedule. So what I do is I journal and I plan. This is what I've started in 2021, and I got this journal from the Positive Store. I'll leave the link to it in the description. It's a really good planner and it has everything where you can write your goals, your monthly review, and then you can also write what you're grateful for. Overall, it is a very good planner, and I'll leave the link to it in the description box below so you can check it out if you want to. At the end of the planner, you'll also find a few stickers and a mini notebook so you can keep track of it, and the stickers are for different tasks, for example drinking water. So it's a really cool and effective planner. If you want to check it out, then it'll be in the description.
We're just trying to have fun. You're right on time. You know my mind. Two of a kind. Good for my soul. Won't turn you off. You turn me on.
Next thing that I suggest is having a dedicated study space where you study every day, and that place is only meant for studying. So bed is a no-go. The third thing that you need to do to start your school year strong is to study every day in a routine. So I have a lot of study routines, many of you already know it. So I'll leave the link to the playlist for it in the description so that you can check it out. But having a routine will just put your mind and your body to what you are studying, and will also help you in focusing more and staying on track and concentrated, which is something which you need when the school year starts.
You turn me on. Cause we already. No warm up, it just got sweaty. No lightweight, we just got heavy. No small talk, say it to my body. Cause we already. No warm up, it just got sweaty. No lightweight, we just got heavy. No small talk, say it to my body.
The next tip is something which I wish I knew. It is to do your homework first. So when you complete your homework first, it's not on your mind, and then straight away you can focus on studying and learning and gaining knowledge instead of completing your homework. I know homework sucks, and many of you probably don't even do homework in online classes, but if you actually do your homework like you're taking your exam or like you're actually learning, it proves to be very beneficial in the long run. So homework is a first. The next way to start your school year strong is to expand your learning opportunities. So look for different kind of apps or places you can study, or friends you can make. For example, study buddies, they prove to be really useful, and I wish I had a study buddy for myself. Study with me videos also prove to be a very good thing to help you in this, and I have a few of them along with the apps video, which I'll also put in the description and on the iCard. The next way is to take care of your mental health. Now this is super important, and I don't think many people emphasize on it. So here are some affordable resources: 7 cups of tea, Talkspace, Amwell, and BetterHelp. I have used all of these myself, and I can tell you that these are quite beneficial. If you're looking for free ways, then ask Kiran, and a few more resources that I'll link in the description, or you can also talk to your university counselor or your school counselor to help you out. Your Dost is also a good way. Next tip is to talk to your upperclassmen, which are basically your seniors. They will help you guide through the school year and also let you know everything prior so that you can be prepared mentally and physically. It's super important to find the right motivation when you're studying. Motivating yourself and finding the long-term objective is definitely going to help you. And if you think of the long-term goals or why you started in the first place, it'll definitely help you motivate yourself. And I also have a video. I'll leave that link in the description as well. The next tip is super crucial, and I don't think many people pay enough attention to it. It is to sleep and eat well. It is very basic, but teenagers and Gen Zs like ourselves, we don't sleep on time, including myself, and we don't eat on time, which is super unhealthy, and I'm trying to make myself better on it. So eventually I think I'll do it. The next one is to plan and finance your budget. Now, I am very bad at it, but I'm eventually learning. This app proves to be really beneficial. It is known as Home Budget app, and you can use it to budget all of your finances, especially if you're a university or a college student. Yo guys, I really hope you all like it. Make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram because I post reels over there, and on my Twitter to keep up with my latest tweets. And I'll see you guys in my next video now. Bye.